Did you see Britney's new video on TikTok? She's so crazy. I always wait for her live to come on just to watch it. Who are you texting?
Nobody, man. Sebastian.
Oh really? You tell him about the baby?
Listen, me not tell my parents them yet, alright? Them a go freak out. So, maybe next month or so, me tell them about the baby. Just hold off a little bit, okay? Them already vexed with me about college and them someday. And worse, about Susie. So, me just...
Richard, you've been saying this for months now that you're gonna tell them. What are you waiting for? Look how far along Richard, come on. You're being ridiculous.
Why not this shit again? Come on. Shanti, just bail them on, you know me can't tell them. Two baby, Shanti, come on. What you want them to do? Disown me? Kick me out? Which part me I gonna live? Be reasonable now?
I've been reasonable about all of this already. And I'm the one going through it, not you.
What you mean? Me I go through it to my baby?
You think I don't know? You think I don't know you're talking to other girls? I know what you're doing. I'm not stupid. See, there you go again. Your phone pinging. Ping, 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 ping every minute. I know you have an ex-girl. I'm not dumb. You must think I'm dumb. You must think I'm born yesterday. God, I'm so sick of you.
You know what? Stay fixed because everything man do is a problem. Can't bother. Me a cut. Me a go me yard. Sorry, my late babes. Me that do something.
You know, when me away from my parents them just leave too. You want to come inside? Me have something more to show you. Something new.
Rick, I need you to talk to Richard. This is getting out of hand now. Every day him come here, him don't do nothing. Him don't help with this little girl. He come like say our pitney is not even female one. Every time I try to talk to him, all him do I give me a peer attitude. Me I get tired of him now, you know. Me I get tired of him.
Alright, listen. Me I go talk to him, okay? Just let me reason with him and we discuss what we need to do from then. Don't bother with the yelling with him, alright?
Sebastian, I need you to call your brother. And I know you know which part him there. I need to talk to him about something important. So you and Karima go call him for me, please. Tell him I want him to come home now. And when you're done with that, go to the shop to me and buy 2 pounds of chicken back, okay?
Cheyenne, I want to talk to you there. Cheyenne. Listen, why you come with me? I go over your grandmother's house. Your mother gone to market. Lock up in your room too much. Come man. Let's go look for your granny and I want to talk to you about something. What wrong with you? Or you just a staring at space, so? Come on, come spend some time with your daddy. Long time we wanna spend time together.
Never have to. I want to stay here. I don't want to go to grandma's house. Plus, I have a lot of homework I need to finish, so it's better if I just stay home.
No bother with it, man. Forward. You can do your homework later.
No, I can't bother with this. Richard, you need to do better.
Daddy, I want mommy to talk. Oh no. I am doing better. Me I do good in a school. Me I do better, so what the problem now? Me not understand we are cuss for.
You see, this is what I'm talking about.
Mommy, me no know what you talk about. What exactly make you go on so? What you yell at me for?
You have become so disrespectful. I don't even know where to begin. Where this behavior come from?
I don't know, maybe because you always yell off for me. Mommy, what exactly you want me to do? You act like say I'm me of Susie by myself.
I am not blaming you for Susie. I am saying you need to help with her. She is your responsibility. Our mother is not here. You can't expect say me and your father are gonna take care of her. We are not her parents. Where you going? I am talking to you. Richard. You see what I'm talking about? Do you see what I'm talking about? You're not even saying anything to him. It's like when you're trying to drive my mad in here or something. Sean? Oh gosh, Sean, it's so good to see you. Hi, Cheyenne.
Hi.
I'm so glad you came by. Sean and mother just dropped her off. She's in the backyard playing with Susie. She's so well behaved, Sean. She's such a sweet little girl. She reminds me so much of you when you was a baby.
You know, man, me do want she and Cheyenne spend some time together before her mother come back for her. And you know, I want to spend a good time with my brother them.
Cheyenne, are you hungry? I made some curry chicken.
No, Grandma, that's fine.
Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, here. Come, play. I said play. Ow! Why you do that? Why you do that? Grandpa!
What's wrong, baby? You okay? Come on, get you something to eat. Cheyenne, why you spend some time with Shauna? You know, like when you're a big sister, maybe you can teach her some stuff. We are going to the house. I gotta talk to Sebastian.
Do you have a tablet so I can make you watch, I don't know, Cocomelon?
Your mom ugly. Your mom fat and ugly. Big. She big and ugly. Ugly. Your mom ugly. Like you ugly. You ugly. Nah. Don't touch me.
Ow!
So what you want to study then? Cheyenne said she want to be a veterinarian. She love animals, you see. Remember she used to always bring home local sick animals them for true. Where's Shauna?
She's outside. Demon picnic.
A veterinarian is a really good job. Cream want to be a doctor. But she's so smart. You know she can do it. She's so intelligent and beautiful. Love her, you see, man. She's just awesome. I love your whip, man.
Oh, go home.
Cheyenne, can you come help me in the kitchen with something, please?
It's not about a breed cream or youth, alright? Pick me off to take care of. Time expensive. Gonna soon start basic school. Can't wait. She's so brilliant, man. She's so smart.
Daddy, we can go home now, please. I can go home by myself. I don't want to be here anymore. I'm tired. Daddy, you're not even listening to me.